Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken milanese. I already got the chicken cut up, and these were the chicken breasts I bought from the store, and as you can see they're really thick. So I already cut them up in fillets with my fillet knife. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, the things you'll need is eggs, breadcrumbs, tomatoes, baby arugula, and avocado. So you're gonna take your eggs, Alright, next you want to just mix them up. Next you want to take the chicken fillets and kind of just, you want to soak them in there. Like that. And you're going to take your fillet into the breadcrumbs and just flip it over in here, get all the breadcrumbs on really good. And it should look something like this. And there you go. And just repeat the steps. So soak it into eggs. And breadcrumbs. Oh, hey there. Sorry for the interruption. You definitely want to try these out. They're very good. There's so many flavors. They're low on calories. They have electrolytes. And when I mean they're low on calories, they only have 10 calories per can. Isn't that crazy? You definitely want to go check them out at www.blakestar.com. And if you use my code Alexa20 at checkout, you'll save some money, so you definitely want to go check them out. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, I'm back in the kitchen and gonna finish showing you guys how to make the chicken milanese. As you can see here, I'm using light vegetable oil. I don't have much in there. And to give it extra flavor, which I love extra flavor, especially garlic and rosemary, you leave the skin on the garlic, and that's your choice if you make it. You can put garlic in it or you don't have to. And you just set it in there. And I'm gonna put the 2 pieces of rosemary in there. And take the chicken now. And I just got little excess breading off. And you just want to set it in there. And the time you want to leave it in there is 1 minute on one side, so it's 2:49 now, and about 2:50 I'm gonna flip it over. And same thing on the other side, so basically just 2 minutes. Should look something like this, guys. It's got like a little goldish, dark, little brown color. And you always want to make sure the chicken is cooked right, because you know chicken contains a lot of bacteria. And the inside should look like this, white, and that's how you know that it's cooked right. Alright guys, now you want to cut up the tomatoes. Alright guys, I got the tomatoes cut, as you can see here. Just little pieces, they're not thick at all, they're super thin. So, yep. Alright guys, here comes the funny part. As you can see here, I'm cutting up onions, and I love eating onions, but God, if they don't make my eyes cry. I can't. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh shit. I'm not kidding. Does anybody else's eyes cry, or is it just me? Like... Oh. Sorry, guys. Oh, shit. Alright, now that I'm finished cutting up these onions, I messed up piece, but okay. We're gonna throw these in with the tomatoes. Alright guys, after you mix your onions and tomatoes together, you want some black pepper. Not a lot, just, you know, a little bit. And you're gonna want to put some oregano on it. And some salt. Okay. And you're gonna want extra virgin olive oil. And I got about this much left in the container. And I'm just gonna pour all of it in there. And you're gonna need a spoon. Just gonna wanna mix it up. It should look something like this. So good. Alright guys, here's the finished plate. I got fresh avocado on it and the tomato and onions like I showed you guys and how I seasoned it on top of the chicken and some potatoes. I hope you guys love this video and you guys definitely need to try my recipe out and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video.